Good morning students, this is Renu Bansal, your English teacher. Students, today I am going to teach you English literature and today we will complete the remaining part of the chapter Brave Aruni. So let's start it. Students, today we will read the remaining part of the story Brave Aruni. Students, in last class we read that Aruni was trying to stop the river water with mud and branches, but he could not succeed in it. What did Aruni do after that? Let's read the chapter and know about it. That evening, where is Aruni? He went to collect firewood. We have not seen him, sir. Now it was evening and teacher Dhomya comes to the students and he asks, where is Aruni? He went to collect firewood. We have not seen him, sir. And student replies that he has gone to take firewood. We have not seen him. Dhomya was shocked. That was in the morning. It is raining so hard. What if he is hurt? Teacher Dhomya thinks that when I sent Aruni to pick up firewood, it was morning and now it is evening and it is raining too much. It is raining so hard. Has Aruni got stuck in some trouble? Teacher get upset thinking this. Dhomya called 5 of his eldest students. Come with me. We will look for Aruni. And then teacher Dhomya called his 5 eldest students and tells them to come with him. Dhomya and his students went to look for Aruni. Aruni, sir, bank the crops. And then Dhomya and his students went to look for Aruni and then they go there and loudly call Aruni, Aruni. Just then a student comes running to the teacher and tells him, bank, crop. The student was very nervous and he was not able to speak properly. He tells them to walk towards the river. Dhomya and the students ran to the river bank. Here he is. He is using his body to stop the river from flooding the field. Going there, they see that Aruni himself lay there to stop the flood water. He saves the field from the flood by lying in front of the river bank. Dhomya rushed to pick up Aruni. He was wet and cold. Oh, my poor brave boy. Boys, walk together and mend the bank. I will take Aruni home. Thank you, teacher. Don't worry, teacher. Together we will fix it. The teacher Dhomya runs to pick up Aruni from there. Because of the flood water, Aruni has become completely wet and cold. Teacher Dhomya says to Aruni, oh my dear brave boy, you are very brave. And Aruni says, thank you, teacher. Then Dhomya asks all the students work together and repair the bank of the river. And students say, don't worry, teacher, together we will fix it. Dhomya carried Aruni home. Then Dhomya carried Aruni home. I am so proud of you, Aruni. What you did today was very brave. Thank you. And then Dhomya says to Aruni, the work you have done today is a work of a great bravery. You have done a lot of bravery by saving our crops. He thanks Aruni. I only did my duty, teacher. And then Aruni says, sir, it was my duty. So students, now this chapter is completed. So what we learned from the chapter? We learned that Aruni was a very brave and obedient student and we should be like Aruni. So students, now what will you do? you will read this chapter again.